Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily sort data from highest to lowest in Google Sheets. Whether it's numbers, scores, or rankings, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, highlight the column or range of cells you want to organize. For this example, I'll be sorting a list of sales figures. Next, go to the menu at the top and click on Data, then select Sort Range from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired sorting option: ascending, A to Z, or descending, Z to A. In our case, we will select Z to A. Here we go, our data is sorted from highest to lowest. If you want to sort multiple columns, go to the Advanced Range Sorting options. A pop-up window will appear. Check the box labeled Data has Header Row if your selection includes headers like Day and Sales. Next, choose the column you want to sort by, such as Sales. Then select whether you want to sort in ascending or descending order. Finally, click the Sort button. And that's it. Your data is now sorted from highest to lowest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.